Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by taking the door off its hinges and placing it flat on a padded table so you can work safely and accurately. Once the door is secure, use a flathead or spline roller end to pry out the spline and free the old mesh. Take care not to deform the frame groove. As you work, inspect corners and clips. If pins or corners are damaged, replace them now so reinstallation will be straightforward and durable. With the old mesh removed, place the new screen over the frame, leaving roughly 1 to 2 inches of overlap on all sides to ensure full coverage. Start at the center of a long side and use a spline roller to press the spline and mesh into the groove, then work outward toward the corners. Maintain steady, even tension so the mesh sits flat without puckers. Once all sides are secure, trim excess mesh close to the groove with a sharp utility knife, and leave corners for final adjustment. Finish by trimming the extra mesh and neat cutting corners, tucking any slack into the frame, and rolling the spline firmly into place so edges are sealed. Once done, rehang the door and inspect latch alignment and strike plate. Make sure the door opens and closes smoothly, and that the screen is taut and even. If you find loose spots, wrinkles, or gaps, reseat or replace the spline with the correct diameter and retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.